Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your images, so back up the existing photos library to an external drive or time machine. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, hold the Option key and launch Photos to choose the correct library or create a new one. This step forces the app to use the exact file you intend to update. Make sure you also check iCloud Photos settings in Photos Preferences. Enable or disable sync, depending on whether you want changes pushed to other devices. Now import new files using File Import, or drag folders and card images directly into the library. Photos keeps originals and creates managed copies for easy versioning. Once your images appear, group them into albums and apply keywords, faces, and date metadata so retrieval is fast. This is why organization upfront saves hours later. If you need edits, make duplicates or use non-destructive tools so the original stays intact. Also, verify imported files opened correctly before deleting any source media. Finish by consolidating scattered originals into the managed library via File Consolidate and let Photos complete any background tasks. This ensures files live where Photos expects. Once complete, enable iCloud Photos if you want syncing and watch the status bar for upload progress. If something goes wrong, missing images, syncing stalls, or crashes, quit Photos, then reopen it while holding Option and Command to trigger the Repair Library tool. Run it only after you have an external backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.